Here we go. Let's start this new live. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back to this live. If you can and see me, just say hello in the chat. Say hello in the chat, ragazzi. Se mi sentite, mi venite e mi vedete, benvenuti, bentornati in questa live. Su Thunder Pro scrivete ciao nella chat, lasciate un like, iscrivetevi al canale. Say hello in the chat. Follow Thunder Pro. Follow me, Michele Rossi Official. Leave a like. Ciao Alice, ciao Sandy, ciao imprenditore digitale. Ciao Luca. Ciao Elisa. Hello, hello everyone. Welcome, welcome. Benvenuti. Welcome back. Are you ready to start this new session? Hello. 141. 2. Oh, yes. Yes. That's it. That's it. 98, 989, 152. Yes, we're good. You're good. Great. Hello, brother. Hello. Ciao. Ciao a tutti. Benvenuti. Are we ready to start this live? Say yes. And we make it rolling. Yeah. Let's go. Ciao, Johan. Yes, coupon, it is working. Yes. Great. So, guys, let's start this session. We still have 20 minutes before the market opens, so we have plenty of time. So follow along because today is a great day. We're doing a big giveaway. Thunder Pro is doing it upon my request. So thank you, Thunder Pro. So welcome back to Thunder Pro live streaming. We are live. If you can hear me and see the screen, drop a quick yes if you just connected. If you already done that, good. Let's move on. Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me where you're hearing me. Listen to me from. How do you qualify for the big giveaway? I'm going to tell you in a second. All right. For the new people, my name is Michele. I'm a professional trader and educator. And today we're doing what we always do here. Education first, rules over emotion. This is not financial advice. We trade plan, not feelings. Feelings are very, very expensive and the market changes interest every time. So before we start, the big announcement of today. Today we have a giveaway at the end of the session. So stay connected until the end. Please don't go away. Don't leave me alone. Hello from Sri Lanka. Hello. Hello from Nigeria. Beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. India, Missouri, USA. Great. Canada. Venice. Beautiful. Venezia, Roma, Nigeria. Again, beautiful. Hello, everyone. So, to participate to the big giveaway, which is, we're going to do a great one. We're going to give away an instant funded prop account. So you're going to be trading live with 10K live, no challenges. Okay, so we're going to do it at the end. We're going to do a we're gonna use a randomizer to pick up a winner. We're gonna do it at the end of the live, so be sure to stay connected until the end. The rules are very, very simple. As you can read down below right here, you need to comment just one time. Don't comment more than one time a number between 1 and 1,000. Between 1 and 1,000. Pick a number. Write it down just one time, no more than one time. Rock back. No more than one time. You're going to be thrown out of the chat if you keep on doing that. Don't do that. You're wasting your chance to win a 10K funded account to trade live. No challenges. And the other thing that you have to do, and this is my personal request, go on my Instagram page. Michele Rossi Official is the name that you can read down below right here. You can see right here down below, on the left, on the right, I don't know, right here, below my face. Oh, the other side, on the other side, right here. Michele Rossi Official on Instagram, and be sure to follow, right? Subscribe. This is the last one. Subscribe to Funder Pro YouTube channel. Okay? And don't forget, if you use the code live that you can read down below right here, on the screen, you have the best discount possible. Okay? Anytime you can use this discount right now, you have a 20% off any challenge. So let's go to our preparation. Okay? We're going to use 4 pillars. I'm using 4 pillars to trade. Uso 4 pilastri per partecipare alla giveaway per gli amici italiani. Mettete un numero da 1 a 1000. Scrivetelo una volta sola qua nella chat. Seguitemi su Instagram Michele Rossi Official e seguite YouTube di Funder Pro. Useremo i 4 pilastri. We're going to use the 4 pillars that I use. Fundamental analysis, intermarket analysis, sentiment analysis, and technical analysis. Rock back. I'm gonna be sure to let you remove from the chat if you keep on posting the number. So don't do that again. So macro and rate narrative. Macro and rate narrative. The why. So today the Nasdaq is holding strong around 25. Let me open up the screen a little bit bigger. Let me open up what I want to use. I want to use this chart right here. Let me use this chart right here. MNNQ, MNNQ. This is it. This is beautiful, beautiful chart of Nasdaq. Look at that beauty. Let's look at the 4 hours chart. Beautiful chart. Beautiful. Look at that. So we're holding strong, as I was saying, we're holding strong between 25,350 and 25,400 area. This area right here, right above right here. The reason is simple. The 2026 rate cut narrative is still alive. Fed funds futures are still pricing roughly, let me check on my Reuters, 58 BPS of cuts in 2026, and that supports equity valuation, especially tech, even if the tape is choppy. But we also have mixed signal. UK Q4 GDPs was weak, plus 0.1 quarter on quarter, and business investment down minus 2.7%. That's global softening. So the market is balancing cuts later versus growth slowing. Ok? Quindi il Nasdaq sta reggendo bene tra i 25.350 e i 25.400 e la ragione è molto semplice perché ci sono ancora la narrativa del taglio dei tassi è molto forte. Sono prezzati ancora 500 basis point di cuts nel 2026. About a data check, a quick data check we just had, and we looked at it live in my private community. We look at the jobless claims, so data into the job. We catch this beautiful buy um on the uh on the gold. Okay, we're already out, in and out right here. We got initial jobless claims 2027 versus 2022 and 2032 previous. So claims came in a little higher than expected, but still not screaming recession. It's more like cooling, not collapsing. And continuing jobless claims, it's 1.8 million, the actual 1.86 exactly, versus the previous one, which was 1.84 million, and that's slightly higher. So the labor market is a bit softer on the margin. For the trader, the translation is pretty simple. Cut later narrative, but it can also create a whipsaw because we're still in a sensitive tape. Quindi ragazzi, abbiamo già avuto le notizie sul dati del lavoro di oggi. Jobless claims sono usciti leggermente peggiori del previsto, quindi il mercato del lavoro si sta indebolendo anche sulla scia delle notizie della scorsa settimana. NFT sono usciti abbastanza drastici, e sulla scia di quello, questo è ciò che sta succedendo in questo momento. For the third pillar, which is the third pillar, is the sentiment. So the risk sentiment is also pretty simple today. This is the VIX volatility S&P 500 index, that you can see we're still in between the range. We're down the 20 area, which I consider neutral. We're heading lower in the short term, higher in the longer term, but we're still into the risk on area. Then we got the rotation, the how it feels. So we still have the AI capex concerns in the background. Big spending numbers keep the market skeptical. And we also have rotational flows. Sometimes money run from mega tech into more defensive or cyclicals. So today I'm treating the Nasdaq as slightly bullish intraday, but I'm not married to it. I'm here to react, of course, as always, not to predict. Okay. Um, the technical map is gonna sound something like this. If I got down to the 30-minute, we got this beautiful area right here. Let me mark it up in the chart. Got this low, got this high on the 30 minutes. And it's a very good, interesting areas. I expect some pullback area around 25 to 100. So we might expect a pullback down here. So if you're looking for sales, we might head down to the Asia low. And the target upside reference, if we start and break this area right here to the 4 500 25 400 500, we're gonna possibly go up higher above right here at 25 700. That is my target area for the bullish scenario. But of course, we gotta break and close above this area right here. Let me chart it up. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. Okay. But before we see that, we might see also new pullback into this area right here. So for the longer term, let's say intraday, these are my best position. This is what I'm looking for today. So this one right here, and possibly if we start to push higher and we close above this area, I'm gonna buy right here and bring it up to the 25 700. Also, because I use other tools that I have around my desk, I cannot share everything in one screen. the heat map, my Reuters terminal for news headline, and right here, what I can see from my other tool that I use. So the heat map, I'm not gonna name it, is a lot of liquidity. You cannot see liquidity from a chart like this. You can see it with the heat map. We got a big, big, beautiful red every 100 point. We got a big, beautiful red at 25,500, 25,600, and then a bigger, bigger chunk of orders above right here on the 25,700. So this is my bias. I might be wrong. I might be correct. Hopefully, we're going to do profit together. But I try to stick to the plan. So if we hold above the key intraday levels and reclaim value, we can mean revert up. If we fail to hold and we lose structure, we can flush and continue down. So I'm not against sell. If I see an opportunity for downside, I'm gonna probably take it anyways because we're gonna be here until 4 p.m. maximum, and I need to be. This is a show, guys. I need to be in and out in a bunch of minutes, like we do every time, every Thursday, and I'm gonna be um, I'm gonna be trading real quick because again, we cannot stay here all day long. But this is my bias. What do you think? What do you guys think? Uh, the coupon code is always available, but the best, the best that you can do is use it right now because you have a 20% off. Can you guys remove rack back? Because he's hurting my feelings. He's just wasting the chart. Yes, nice. He's wasting the chart. He's wasting the chat section. You're boring, dude. Stop doing that. I'm not gonna trade YM today. Trader K24. Yes, he is. He's boring. $25 300, between 25 300 and 25 400 is our area of work, Andrea. Lavoreremo tra i 25 300 e 25 400 sul Nasdaq. So what we gonna do? What we gonna do? The strategy is the same. La strategia è la stessa. L'orb a 5 minuti. The orb in 5 minutes. The first thing is opening range breakout 5-minute range. I mark the high and the low of the first 5 minutes. No map, no trades. Quindi marcherò il massimo e il minimo dei primi 5 minuti, a meno che non veda qualcosa di più prorompente, quindi potrei entrare anche impulsivamente. Ok? Then we're gonna use the VWAP, the anchor VWAP to the first minute candle. Ancorerò il VWAP alla prima candela di apertura. Then the C step, the third step is gonna be possibly an inverted fair value gap. Userò quindi un IFVG. I'm not gonna take more than 3 trades, as always. I'm gonna keep my risk tight. Usually, I don't risk more than $200 per account. I trade multiple accounts. And I'm gonna look for a one-to-one risk to reward on my funded account, the accounts that are live, already live, and possibly a bigger risk to reward on challenges just to squeeze it out. Quindi targetizzerò un risk reward di 1 a 1, rischierò solo il 2%, scusatemi, $200 per trade, non farò più di 3 trade. Userò una strategia molto molto semplice in scalp, veloce, perché non posso stare qua tutto il giorno. Ricordatevi che questo è uno show. Le notizie che vi porto sono vere, sono pesate, sono realistiche, sono sensate. E sono ciò che uso per fare trading sui miei conti live e anche sulle prop. Just remember that all that I say is for entertainment only, but the news that I'm telling you about, how I look at the market, what is moving the market, that's the core, and that is 100% real. So stay until the end, guys. Don't forget to comment just one time. Don't comment more than one time with a number. You can pick up a random number between 1 and 1000. Just one number. May he shackle. No more than one number, or you're gonna be disqualified. I'm trading Nasdaq almost every time. This is my favorite one. Do not comment more than one number. Non commentate più di un numero, altrimenti venite squalificati. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. That's a requirement to get the giveaway. Seguitemi su Instagram, Michele Rossi Official, lo trovate qua sotto. È necessario per partecipare al giveaway. E rimanete fino alla fine. Apertura del mercato and the market is open. It's pushing really, really hard to the downside. Let's see if it's gonna go and get, yeah, it got the London low. I want to see a closure above right here. I'm gonna enter a buy aggressively. If it closes above right here, I'm gonna enter a buy aggressively. Let's see. Right now, right at the open. Let's see. And not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait for the first 5 minute range. This is the first thing that I'm looking at. The first trade that I'm looking at. Got down really quick and took this area right here. Let me see what it does. And I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy. I'm in a buy. I'm in. Stop loss down below right here. Down below the spike. Take profit with a 1 to 2 risk to reward up to this area right here. If it holds. If it flips down below, I'm gonna take a sell. If it flips down below the area right here, I'm gonna take a sell. Got rejected twice. Got an inversion right here. happening. If it closes above, we're good to go. It needs to close above. If it rejects again and close below, I'm gonna close it for a small loss, so 50% loss. Let's go. My first take profit, if it hits on the funded account, is going to have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And the TP1 is right here plus break even. Il mio take profit 1 e il break even sono a questo prezzo qua, 25,390. If it hits, I'm gonna move my stop loss to the 50%. I don't want to risk the full trade. If you got a reversal right now, I don't want to risk the full trade. So I moved my stop loss. This is disappeared right now. Doesn't have any sense anymore. I'm in a trade, as you can see, with Thunder Pro futures. You can do it with CFDs also. Lots of indecision. And I'm still in, believe it or not. I'm still in. I guess we're gonna hit the stop loss. Let's wait. Lots of choppiness. Side by side. And I hit the stop loss. I'm out. Let's wait for the next one. 5-minute range. We have it. Let's mark it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have our VWAP, anchor VWAP. Ah. I'm waiting for a setup to show. I have no setup at the moment. I'm still for, I'm still, I don't know. I'm still for the buys, but it's very choppy. It's not moving. Is it the same price of opening? Okay, we're out of the 5 minute range. Retest of the zone, and I'm in. Right here. If we retest the zone, the stop loss goes down below the VWAP. I want to close above this area right here, and I'm gonna enter the trade. I'm not in at the moment. We gotta hold this line. Let's wait and see. No, I didn't say it. I'm in. I said if the candle close above right here and retest this area, I'm gonna enter the trade. I'm gonna be very clear, and I always show my entries and exit, and I'm telling you if I'm going to TP or stop loss. This is not a signal room, and I'm in. I'm in. Now I'm in. Now I'm in. Now I'm in. Is this clear? Every time I'm in, I say it very clearly. And if I hit the stop loss, I'm going to tell it. There's no shame on hitting stop loss. I'm just following my rules. Anyway, this is not a signal room. My TP is going to be, you already have the time to enter at a better price than me, actually. If you decide to enter the same trade that I take, almost impossible, but yeah. My first TP on the live account, if it hits, is going to be right here. Plus BE with the one-to-one risk to reward. It's a really choppy market. If it flips and go down to stop loss, I'm down for the day. Two stop loss, one after the other, to me means no more trades. It happens. Yes, discipline is very important because I'm only risking $200 per trade. The previous trade, I moved the stop loss to the 50%. So I risked only $100. This I took the full loss. So I'm down $300 for the day. I'm trading multiple 50K, 100K. I have a lot of accounts to differentiate my risk. So I'm not afraid of a stop loss. Sometimes the market is like this. Sometimes you have the markets like this, and there's nothing you can do about it. Look at that. It's really choppy. The best decision is to, let's say you have your strategy, you give yourself three shots, three trade, like I'm doing always. I took two stop loss in a very short period of time in the first 15 minutes, and I'm having this really awkward price action, which happens, and I'm constrained to our kind of trades style to be with you guys. So yes, I'm not gonna take any other trades today unless I see in the next few minutes a very good opportunity, but should be an A plus setup. In this case, it become really, really difficult, or to say almost impossible, to burn challenges. Yes, honestly, after 15 years, I'm no more affected by losses anymore because I never risk more than what I planned. So it's really not a problem to me to take loss even for multiple days in a row. It happens. If someone says it never happens, like, oh, I have 500 days of no stop loss, it's, to me, it's not true. I don't believe it. It's statistically, it's really unlikely. Yeah, so I guess we can start with hey Tristan, can we start with the giveaway? What's the process? There's something I should do? Losses at the cost of discipline is like traveling in a bus without a driver. Yes, definitely. Uh, in a market of extremes, is the goal to survive um, the volatility or exploit the opportunity? At what point does a safe even become a trap? Well, in a market, this is my take. In a market of extreme, the goal is both. Survive first, exploit second, because volatility is the admission ticket. If you blow up, you don't get to play the opportunity phase. So survival means you treat volatility like a tax. Sides down, shorten your time horizon, define risk in advance, and prioritize um, liquidity. Okay. And other than that, um, opportunity only exists when you have a repeatable edge, a symmetry, patience, and selective aggression to exploit it. Okay. And when a safe haven does become a trap, a safe haven becomes a trap when the reason people own it flips from prediction to crowding plus leverage plus narrative. So it's no longer an hedge, it's a trade. If everyone is there for easy upside instead of protection, is crowded. Okay. The safe even start moving with risk assets. So if it sells off when equities sells off, it's not hedging anymore. It's behaving like a risk asset. Okay. Um Widening spreads, ugly weeks, forced selling. That's not fighting to safety. That's flight to cash. So safe even protection when you can exit, and trap protection that turns illiquid or crowded when you need it most. This is my take. Um, Hope that makes sense. Okay, we're gonna do the giveaway. Let's generate the random number. I'm gonna take, look at that. Can you guys see? Uh Minimum 1, maximum 1,000. And we're gonna generate the number live. Are you guys ready? We're doing the giveaway. Are we doing the giveaway? Leave a yes in the chat if you subscribe to Funder Pro YouTube account. Say yes in the chat if you follow my Instagram account, Michele Rossi Official. I want to see a yes in the chat. Put it down the yes, and then we're gonna click the generate button, and we're gonna see who's the winner of the giveaway. Let me see those yes in the chat. Go with the yes. This is what you're missing if you're not live with me right now with Funder Pro on the official Funder Pro YouTube channel. We're doing the giveaway right now. We're gonna pick a random winner from the chat, and he's gonna win a 10K funded account. Let's keep those yes rolling. Ragazzi, se non siete live con me adesso, state per perdervi la generazione del giveaway, del numero del vincitore del giveaway con Funder Pro per l'account da $10.000 subito funded. In 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 844. 844. Let me screenshot that. Let me take a screenshot. 844. 844 is the winner. The nearest number to 844. If the 844 is not being taken, is not being picked by anyone, the nearest number is gonna be picked. 844. 844 is the winner. This is not me. who's gonna no entry 844, but the nearest is 896. 896 is the winner. Show up. Who's the winner? Dion T7Q. Are you live here right now? Because this is the only way you're gonna get your funded account. And right in time, we got our 15-minute range. Let's see. Let's see. We might get another trade right here. Let's see if it forms right here. What I want to see. So close above. I'm gonna get another buy. Let's see. Might be a good opportunity for a double break of the orb, which happens 99% of the time. Write down your Instagram or X username, Dion T7Q, if you're still with us. If we close above this area and retest this number 25,279, I'm gonna take another buy. Is the guy right here, Thunder Pro? What do we do if he's not right here with us? Prina Kaig Hosh. God save me from creating an account in Instagram and X. I'm with you, man, but if you don't have it, you cannot participate. Il numero Alice è 844. Okay, so they're telling me we're gonna pick the next one. So let's see. Thunder Pro is gonna tell us the nearest. Peschiamo un altro numero. Peschiamo un altro numero. Signore e signori, venghino. Madame and Monsieur, we're gonna get it. We're gonna pick another number. Thunder Pro is gonna tell us the next number. Let's break the chat with a number. Let's write down the number 3. Write down the number 3. Scrivete il numero 3 in chat. Veloci, 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 veloci. There you go. And thanks to that, Thunder Pro is gonna tell us the next nearer number. Tristan is gonna tell us what's the nearest number. Qual è il numero più vicino? One guy already told 897. Tristan, I need you. And the nearest is 961. 961 is the new winner. 961. Who's 961? Show up. Prinkagosh. Prinkagosh. 961 is the winner. Il vincitore di una 10K instant funded. There you go. Are you happy? Prinak Ghosh. Prinak Ghosh. Prinak Gosh. I don't know how to say it. Sorry, man. Sorry, mate or sister. I don't know. Sorry. I don't know. Great. Beautiful. Well, guys, this was a tough day. One loss and half. But we don't get discouraged because of this. We just got the wrong direction today against the big bias. I don't see any major news for this, but it is what it is. We just follow our plan and stick along with it. We're gonna have other opportunity next week. So, guys, thank you so much for being live here with me today. Congratulations to Prina Ghosh to winning this giveaway. Don't forget to follow to YouTube Funder Pro channel. Follow them on their Instagram account because every Monday I'm doing a free weekly prep where we prepare for the week coming so you can follow along with that information to be more prepared for the news because as always news moving in the market 9 out of 10 times. Please write down your email so they can reach you. He doesn't have IG, Instagram. So, yes, give us your email right now because I'm gonna close the chat in a few months, in a few minutes. Sorry. Um, and we're gonna see you guys next week with my strategy. You just made 120 euros. Great, awesome. This might be the reversal that I'm waiting. Is it? Come on. Give me an opportunity. So this might be the trade. Are we gonna take it before we close the chat? From here to there? I'm gonna take it, I guess. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Let's take this trade here. It's beautiful. Looks beautiful. One stop and a half. I can afford another stop. I can afford another stop. Vikas. Prenak. Are you here? You should send your email. If you don't send your email before the live end, you're not gonna be eligible to get it, to get the 10K funded account. Leave your email. This is the last. Prenup, you're writing, but you're not answering. You gotta give your email right now because I'm gonna end the live stream in a few seconds. If you want to get the 10K account, you gotta give your email right now in the chat. Guys, Funder Pro, what do we do? I guess he's not interested. Yes, that's what we're gonna do. So Prenup, you took too much time. You didn't answer. GDPR. Fuck that. You have 20 seconds. Oh, you have typed it 1,000 times. Maybe you cannot write. You get banned. Write it down in another way. Write it down like XXXXX. Then you give a blank at YYYYY. Then you put a black. Then dot. Then I don't know. Something like that. Other. You don't want to get it? Say no and we go on. We're gonna move on and regenerate another number. Guys, I'm gonna close the chat. I'm gonna close the chat. Too much time. I'm gonna close the live. I'm gonna close the live. This is too much. This is too much. I'm getting bored. So, Thunder Pro, 1 second. Give me the final word. Give me the final word. What do we do? I need to go. I gotta go pick up my daughter at school. I gotta leave. The technique trader effects you can stream for more than 1 hour if you wish. I do whatever I please, and none can stop me. Shall stop me. Ha ha ha. No, you can. You can do like these. Why do Thunder Pro as a warning? Look, I can write it down so he can. Okay, so guys, the first person typing funded is gonna get the 10K. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The first person saying funded. Write it down. Funded and you win. Funded. Chicken K9H. Give it chicken Chi-Chan, or Chi-Ken, I don't know. This is the winner. This is the winner. This is the winner. Winner, winner. Give your Instagram account right now. You have 10 seconds. This is too much. This is taking too much. Come on. Fund it. It's gone. Guys, too late. Too late. Chi-Chen. Chi-Chen K9H. Write down your Instagram account right now. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Too late. The next winner is this guy right here. Winner. EZG4 Isaiah. Give your Instagram account right now. Your Instagram account right now. Give your Instagram account. Guys, it's unbelievable. I'm giving away a 10K account. Nobody is able to write down his Instagram account. You don't want to get funded. You don't want to get money. I don't know. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I don't know what to say. This is the weirdest ever happened. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. It's unbelievable. So, guys, the first one to give his Instagram account is gonna win in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The first one to give away his Instagram account. Write down your Instagram username and you're gonna win. Jay Vanto is the winner. Jay Vanto is the winner. Jay Vanto Freelance. Jay Vanto Freelance is the winner. Let's go. I've got it. Jay Vanto Freelance is the winner. Let's go. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Guys, thank you so much for being right now here with me. Jay Vanto Freelance. He's the winner of the 10K. This is unbelievable, but it was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Congratulations for winning your 10K instant account. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go. You have a great day, guys. See you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Up to the next. Cheers. Enjoy. Enjoy your account.